I need a knife. Let me sharpen my nail. Actually, the nail does work pretty good. Ow. Okay, the nail works somewhat good. Ow. Ow. Congratulations! You are now on your way to a better oral health. We open. I got some warm water. All right, so the lid comes off like this. You got a whole bunch of different kinds of tips in here. So the different kind of brush heads that we have. We have the orthodontic tip, which is made for braces and general use. It's a very small brush. And then we have the pickpocket tip that's made for periodontal pockets and furcations, I think is how that says. It says to use the pickpocket tip only on the lowest pressure setting. Next we have the plaque seeker tip. It's got 3 teeny tiny brushes in a circle. And this one is for implants, crowns, bridges, retainers, and general use. And then this one is the toothbrush tip, obviously because it looks like a toothbrush. That's for general use. All right, and then we have 2 of the classic jet tips. These are for general use. I like that they gave us 2 of them and they're marked with different colors. So if you're using one, sharing this with a partner, you know whose is whose. For the first time use only, we're gonna prime it, fill the reservoir with warm water, and replace it firmly on the base. Comes off. Got warm water here. And we are going to fill it. And place it firmly on the base. Place firmly. Insert tip until it clicks into place. Click. You turn the pressure to high, which it's got settings 1 through 10. So turn the pressure to high, point the tip into the sink. Turn power on. And make a mess. Alright, until water flows. Turn power and water off. That makes a mess. Nice little misty mess everywhere. Okay. Says with the power off and the water switch off position, place tip in mouth, turn power on, and then turn the water switch on. And then you just off your key. I'm gonna try a higher setting. Let's go to 6. I don't know how to show you what it's doing without making a mess. We're gonna give this a shot though. Okay. Alright. That's enough of that. Look at it. Now that I've thoroughly gotten water everywhere. Alrighty. Okay, so I kind of like it, but I've only tried this tip. It actually feels quite pleasant, which I know sounds weird, but it's I almost like the feeling of it. It's not painful. It's like it's massaging your mouth. But that's not the massage thing that I was on. I was on the floss thing. So maybe I try the massage thing and see what that feels like. Let's do this one more time. Okay. Okay, a massage one hurts. That one kind of hurt. But I kind of like this thing. I'm definitely more of a 4 person than a 6, I think. The 6 was too much in some places. So we have taken it into the bathroom. We have both used it as it says to be used. I did not try it with just mouthwash in it, but my fiance did. He suggests to water down the mouthwash. He says it's too much. When I tried it, I did about half water, half mouthwash, and I would have preferred a little bit more mouthwash, I think, actually. But it works well with mouthwash. Just make sure you rinse it out appropriately, including the tubing, so you have to run it with just water in it after you use the mouthwash. I really like this so far. I have never seen my teeth so white, even after like brushing, flossing, and all that kind of stuff. I know they're still not white, but I like them. Just my teeth feel so much cleaner than normal, and my gums are a little red and irritated from it, but I assume that they'll get used to it over time. So yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend.